You can give me a million reasons why you love me. I just give you a million reasons right back. And I hope you can see how much you mean to me in this world of mine. So baby, I ain't lying. You can say that you would fly to the moon just to prove that you love me. I'd gather up the stars just to put them in your hands. Now what we've got going here is more than love at first sight. This can last all our lives. Now what do I say when I can't find the words to describe just how I feel? And what do I say when you don't say a thing? Lord knows I try my best to give you everything that I can give.
Okay, I'm gonna read it for you. You're going crazy. Emily, you're my best friend and the love of my life. When I'm with you, I'm a better man. You are the most loving and caring person I've ever met, even if you try to hide it sometimes.
No, slow down. Wait.
You make me want to be a better man.
Wait.
And I promise I'll continue trying to get better each day, so maybe one day I'll be good enough for you. You deserve the world. I'll continue to do my best to hold you and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you and start a family. I love you more than anything.
With this ring, you can give me reasons why
Your finger.
I just give you 2 million
Yes.
reasons right back.
You got it?
There's no stopping two hearts like ours. There's no reason to even try. There's nothing better than this world of yours and mine. There's nothing better than this world of yours and mine.